Today's I'll Try It For You item is another item from our Schnucks Springboard Accelerator. Mickey's Popcorn. Mickey's is a women-owned and minority-owned business with a purpose. They employ domestic violence survivors and autistic youth. So each time you purchase a bag of Mickey's popcorn, it helps them support that mission. First, let's start with Kentucky Bourbon Caramel. Look at that. That looks delicious. It's a little warm, a little spicy. We're gonna skip over the Midwest mix and we're gonna move straight to the Tennessee Whiskey Caramel. There's little bits of honey. I taste little hints of vanilla. Oh, very good. Very, very good. Schnuck shoppers, you've got to try Mickey's popcorn for a special indulgent treat. And now our next item is UJ Granola. Maciel Villanueva started UJ after her son faced some health challenges. She wanted something that was safe and was scrumptious, and that's how UJ Granola was born. UJ is a vegan, gluten-free, soy-free snack. First, let's start with the Maple Cinnamon Delight cereal. Ooh, it's soft. Soft and chewy, it's oaty, it's nutty. Now let's try the cacao twist. There's little bits of cacao in there, tiny little oats. The cacao flavor is not overwhelming. It's really good, very soft and chewy. And now let's try the cinnamon maple bites. Look how cute they are. Little bite form, perfect for a little snack, a little kid snack. A little bit firmer in texture than the cereals because it's in bite form. Very good. Schnuck shoppers, go out and try some UJ granola. And now for our next item, Hugo's Coffee. Claudia McMullen, the founder of Hugo Coffee Roasters, married two of her passions, coffee and dogs. Hugo's responsibly sources and roasts beans for coffee lovers who care about animals. They also support animal rescues. Let's try the rollover breakfast blend. You know what? It has a very smooth and balanced flavor to it. Let's try the Bonafido dark roast. Oh, no, that's coffee. That is a cup of coffee right there. Strong and robust, very good. Schnuck shoppers, you have got to try Hugo's Coffee. Thank you for supporting our Schnucks Springboard Accelerator vendors, and thank you for shopping at Schnucks.